the year 1983, I said to myself, hey, I should master Bhagavad Gita. And for 6 months, I read nothing other than Bhagavad Gita. For 6 months, keeping aside all the other books that I read until. Within 6 months, hey guy, I know what Bhagavad Gita is. I wrote a book on Bhagavad Gita in Telugu language. It has also come up in Hindi, translated. I would like to give the code of Bhagavad Gita to you today. I'll mention a few stanzas, shlokas, then I'll go into the code of it. For example, there is a shloka. Ananyan chintayanto mam ye jana paryupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham. See this yogakshema word. Ananyan chintayanto mam ye jana paryupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham. You must study this shloka. Ananyan chintayanto means without any other thought. Ananyan chintayanto means without any other thought. Yo mam paryupasate, whoever is dedicated to me, who is devoted to me. Tesham nityabhiyuktanam means for such people and all the time I will take care of their yoga and their kshema, their spiritual progress and their material welfare. Yoga is spiritual progress. Kshema is material welfare. I will take care. Whoever is dedicated to me without any other thought. I'll repeat the shloka. When you go back home, refer to that shloka, study that shloka. Nothing comes easily. It took 6 months of deep study in the year 1983.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.